ChatGPT just got an upgrade and you can actually use Lovable directly from ChatGPT, so you don't have to create a prompt separately on ChatGPT and then copy and paste it on Lovable and then wait for Lovable to deploy the project and then again come back on ChatGPT and create a separate and then again come back do the back and forth things. So ChatGPT has just got an upgrade where you can actually deploy your projects on Lovable directly from ChatGPT. And how to do that is what we are going to be demonstrating in this particular video. So make sure you watch till the end if you want to master this skill. So to use this feature directly from ChatGPT, make sure your Lovable is connected with ChatGPT, and once it is connected you can click on start chat and then you can actually start using the Lovable directly from ChatGPT dashboard, so you don't have to open Lovable separately and do the copy pasting as you have been doing. So what are the possibilities, what we are going to be understanding next. Create an expense tracker application where I can upload image of the expenses I did, or I can manually insert the text of the expenses and it is gonna be logging it into Google Sheet or Supabase account and it is gonna be showing on my dashboard the expenses I've made on a monthly, yearly and a weekly basis. Make sure you use Lovable to create this application. And with that, now I'm just gonna click on Lovable and just hit enter. Now you can see it is gonna go ahead and deploy the project right away on the Lovable. So it is asking for permissions, and once you give the permission it is gonna go ahead and deploy the projects for you. So that's a very simple and a very basic use case of using Lovable from ChatGPT, but we are not gonna be understand that. So what are the more use cases? So for that we need to create a new project, and now I'm gonna use the same idea, but how do we actually make the most use out of it is what we are going to be understanding. I want to create an application which can actually track all the expenses made by the user. So user will basically come onto the dashboard and actually upload the expenses they have made, whether in a screenshots or maybe a Google Pay or a payment screenshot, from where the AI will be extracting the amount they have paid and it is gonna be logging onto the dashboard so that the user can watch the dashboard for a monthly, yearly or a weekly basis. This is one way of uploading the expenses. The user can also manually enter the expenses they have made in text format. So the format, there are going to be two formats in which the user can input the expenses, whether in text or in image. They'll be uploading whether in invoice or an image. Want to create an application like this? Ask me questions. What are the best ways, possibilities through which we can improve this platform and make the most use out of it? And now that is a way where I have explained my thought with ChatGPT, and I'm gonna use ChatGPT to brainstorm on my idea. So it is gonna be brainstorming, and then as you can treat it as a PRD project. So the first MVP can be created, but not just MVP, but we can actually create something a step ahead than MVP. So basically we can brainstorm with a ChatGPT first and then go ahead and deploy the project on Lovable right away once we are satisfied. So it has asked me some questions over here. So let's go ahead and see what are the questions it is asking. So now I have gone ahead and answered all the questions asked by ChatGPT, and I'm gonna just hit enter, and it's gonna provide a more advanced plan for what we have just shared an idea for. It's gonna go ahead and do the things for us. And now after answering all the queries back and forth, as you can see over here, I'm gonna just go ahead and tag Lovable over here and ask Lovable to deploy this project. So basically now you don't even have to bother about the base prompt of Lovable and getting it created and everything. Basically you just go ahead and do the brainstorming with ChatGPT and have clarity on the applications you want to create, the features you want to add, the pricing plan you want, everything, and then you proceed ahead. And once you click on initiate project, it is gonna go ahead and create the project for you. And that is in my opinion, that is gonna be the most powerful thing of creating any project and triggering any project directly from ChatGPT to Lovable, because initially we were just copy pasting the prompt from GPT to Lovable and we were doing the things back and forth. But now with the launch of Lovable in ChatGPT is gonna be something which has taken us more ahead and has saved a lot of our time as well, and has made us more efficient. And that is one use case which I have demonstrated you. What are your use cases? What more ideas do you guys have? Comment that into the comment section below, and let's explore the possibilities in the best way possible, and make sure you make the most use out of it. And that's what I wanted you guys to be introduced for this particular video. And go ahead and use ChatGPT and Lovable in the same day. That's all from my end in this for this particular video. Make sure you don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, so that more people can reach the value of these AI automation tools and can upscale themselves into their respective fields. Until then, I'll see you in the next video, and take good care of yourself.